Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So the US dollar Swiss has been very sideways for a couple of weeks now, ever since we had this big impulsive move up. Now, even though we are up right now, we have to realize that the higher time frames are definitely still down. And there's a really good likelihood, if you go all the way up to the weekly, that the US dollar Swiss is going to end up at least down to the 78% Fibonacci retracement, which is someplace around the 0.78 area. So very bearish on the higher time frames still for sure. So that means that this move up that we're seeing over the last 2 weeks definitely could just end up being a crescent to the downtrend. Now, it kind of looks like a wave A, and it kind of looks like this is potentially like an ABC right here. If that is an ABC, then it will go down, take out these lows, and then reverse back to the upside. But like I said, the trend is down on all the higher time frames, so there's a likelihood that it just goes down, takes out the low, makes a pullback, and just keeps on going. Today is FOMC interest rate news for the US, very big news event, which I will be live streaming for on YouTube. So make sure to stop in for my YouTube live stream at the FOMC to see my latest analysis on all your favorite pairs. Like I said, I mean, it looks like this potentially could go up for a wave C later on today, but I always keep in mind the higher time frames, and the higher time frames are telling me that the trend is definitely still down. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.